This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today we're from Group Advanced Micro Device or AMD and have a look to our table of content. Let me introduce our group member first. So the first one is Muhammad IZWAN bin Muhammad FAIZAL 2022 at 70376, and the next one is Muhammad AFIQ NURAIMAN bin AZIZI 2022 451742. Next, Muhammad ZULAIMAN bin Muhammad JAFFAR 2022 460386, and then Muhammad AFIQ NAQIUDDIN bin Muhammad NAZRI 2022 810626, and the last one is Muhammad SIRAJUDIN bin Muhammad AZRAAI 2022 621518. So what we are waiting for? Let's go!
My name is Muhammad ZULAIMAN and my number matric is 2022460386. And good evening. Today I will be very happy to introduce our selected company, which is AMD. So what is AMD? AMD stands for Advanced Micro Devices. It is a prominent semiconductor company that designs and manufactures computer processor, graphic cards and related technologies. So why we choose AMD? We have so many reasons for choosing AMD. But the main reason is their approach to business management, starting from planning and ending with types of AMD's control. We are truly impressed by the way AMD manage their business, which has made them a successful company. Therefore, we will explain briefly about AMD business management after this. In planning, AMD have their own vision and mission. In mission, AMD company has set its goal, which is to improve the quality and capability of AMD products to be competitive with its competitors. Mission to make the world better than it is, and take inspiration for AMD's customer certification to improve the product. AMD does not create technology for the sake of technology, but they innovate to maximize the certification of their customer. AMD also has two types of plan, which is standing plan and single-use plan. Standing plan, AMD relies on standing plans to establish consistent policies and procedure day-to-day operation. These plans serve as a foundation for decision-making process, operational efficiency, and organizational alignment. In use plan, AMD implement use plan to provide customers with clear guidelines and instruction on how to effectively utilize their product and technologies. This plan outline to intended purpose, recommend settings, and best practice for using AMD accessor and graphic cards. By offering comprehensive use plan, AMD ensures that user can maximize the performance and capabilities of their product, resulting in a better overall experience.
Next, we move on to the organizing. Organizing is a function that comes after planning. According to the Chester Bennett, organizing is a function that is concerned with defining the role position, the job associated with them, and the coordination of the authority and responsibility. AMD organization uses a tall structure for the type of organization chart, which means that management is separate into the several layers, with executive on the top and the normal employee on the bottom. Therefore, AMD has more control over operation. Thus, manager can provide more direction to subordinate, and subordinate can reduce their chance of getting punished because of not repeating the same mistake in doing the task. AMD can sharpen their employees' talent because of the team structure that group employees into different departments based on the area of expertise. Let's look at the AMD organization chart. This is AMD organization chart. They are using a tall structure and dividing using a functional departmentalization. There are two types of level management, which is the first one is a top level management and the second one is a middle level management. Top level management role, as you can see, the senior The senior most executive of the organization company are found at the top level of management. This level managers are assigned to solve the stressful and complex tasks and require long hours and commitment for its survival and welfare. There are three types of function of the top level management role, which is the first one is a determination of the objective for organization. The second one is a framing of plan and policies, and the third one is the assembly of the resources. The second of the level management is a middle level management role. Middle level management role below the top level management, which is as a link between the top level management and the lower level management. Middle level management is superior to the lower level management and subordinate to the top level management. There are three functions of the middle level management role, which is the first one is a selection of the suitable operating and supervisory personnel. The second one is motivating employees to get a desired objective, and the second one and the third one is cooperating with the entire organization. As you can see at the chart, is the detail of the every position in the different department.
Then we will go to locus of decision making. They have two, which is program decision and non-program decision. So we will go to program decision first. Program decision have resource allocation that refers to the process of managing resource such as people, cash, time, equipment and materials for various tasks or projects within the company. AMD management must make decisions regarding resource allocation for software development, including personnel, funding and time. Then project prioritization is a process of evaluating operation or tasks according to their relative worth or importance to a company. The objective of this project is to maximize the organization return on investment and achieve its strategic goals. It is important to make sure the resources and efforts are concentrated on the most important and worthwhile projects. Then, risk management is a process of locating, evaluating and reducing risks that have an impact on the company objective. It requires following a careful, continuous strategy for locating potential risks, analyzing their possibility and potential impact, and coming up with reduction or management method. Then we will go to non-program decision. Every year, there will be a huge challenge that each company needs to face, whether it is predictable or unpredictable. But sometimes there are a problem that suddenly occurs that cannot be handled. That is where non-program decision is getting into work. There are 5 non-program decisions that have been created in AMD, which is the first one is lockdown crisis in COVID era. Since everyone knows, the lockdown crisis in 2020 is one of the challenging obstacles during our operation. AMD lost a huge profit during the year since all of our franchises need to be closed. AMD lost a lot of loyal customers during the lockdown. However, it is still possible to keep loss to a minimum percentage by providing free shipping when they buy AMD products. Then, crash of AMD stock market. Apart from this company, there are still other companies that AMD needs to compare within electronic manufacturing in order to overcome this matter. AMD will try to compete with the needs of the market by producing more powerful products to regain lost stock value. AMD will also expand its influence in many countries to promote the latest good and to get attention of investors from outside to invest in AMD products. Moreover, incidents that can take the life of workers at the workplace. Safety and security are also important to make sure our workers feel comfortable when working. AMD has installed modern monitoring tools. For example, most office buildings, factories and franchises have the latest CCTV. In addition, AMD offers various insurance to take care of their staff needs. Next, lack of industrial material or fund to produce new products. AMD will collect all products and recycle it to become raw materials for new products. With it, AMD can reduce the cost of manufacturing. AMD will also expand the market in any remote areas that have branded computer stores such as Asus, Acer and Huawei to increase sales. So last but not least, unsold product exceed warehouse stock. AMD will hold a half-price charity sale with the aim of clearing warehouse to make way for new product replenishment. It can reduce the cost of buying a new warehouse and give opportunities to buyers who can afford to buy AMD products, especially teenagers who want to get our quality processor with an affordable price.
Assalamualaikum, my name is IZWAN and I would like to explain to you the motivational theory that we use in this company. But before I explain any further, I will tell you what is a motivation. A motivation is a reason that causes us to behave in certain ways to create a purpose in doing something. Now back on our topic, the motivational theory that we use is Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which contains physiological needs, security needs, social needs, self-esteem, and self-actualization. And for the physiological needs, we usually focus on our workers' basic needs, which is a reasonable salary. A reasonable salary is important because the daily household item nowadays is increasing, and with a reasonable salary, our employees will not have to worry much about money. And for the second one is security needs. We ensure the safety of our workers by installing the latest surveillance technology, so we can detect any threat and we can take a certain measure to avoid any injury. And the third one is social needs. Every worker needs to have a social skill, and also we as a company are a part of a big family, so that's why we need to ensure that our workers tolerate with each other so we can create a peaceful environment. And for the fourth one is self-esteem needs. Self-esteem needs is a satisfaction, like feeling or achievement, and self-worth through recognition, respect, and prestige from others. Here in AMD company, we manage to give a rise for those who have worked long enough to value their effort for the company. And the last one is self-actualization needs. This needs is the one that make our employee happy with their work, because they can do it because they are made for it. For example, here in AMD, we always find a way to encouraging our workers in doing something that they are like, and also we provide them with the tasks that they can do, so they wouldn't have any problem in performing it.
Next part is leading. In leading, we have two theories under the leading approach, which are behavior theories and contingency theories. First, we have the leadership theory in AMD. AMD is multinational semiconductor company that develops computer processor and related technologies. AMD leaders make a clear from their employees and the company goes up. This helps to ensure everyone is working towards the same thing and that there is shared understanding of what success looks like. Other than that, they providing feedback and coaching. AMD leaders has provided regular feedback to their employees, both positive and negative. AMD has also been empowering their employees. Their leaders have built a strong relationship with their employees. Second, contingency theories of leadership in AMD. The company's contingency leadership are pushed by the nature of the task. Some tasks are more complex and challenging than others. For a complex task with a motivated and self-directed followers, AMD leaders have applied a delegative leadership style. Other than that, contingency theories are the characteristics of the follower. Some followers are more motivated and self-directed than others. In that case, a more delegative leadership style may be more effective. This would involve clear guidance and direction and closely monitoring employees' progress. We move to the controlling part. There are three types of control. It is feed-forward control, consequent control, and feedback control. These three types of control were used in AMD. Feed-forward control. AMD believes that diversity and inclusion are critical drivers in AMD's capacity to deliver great solutions that accelerates next-generation computing experience. AMD is dedicated to increasing diversity, belonging, and inclusion (DB&I) across its workforce. Second, consequent control. AMD is very strict when it comes to quality. The standard that AMD used in this type of control was a product quality test in order to maintain high quality product. AMD runs a product quality test through the phase gate process to confirm that key criteria are met before the product is moved to the next stage. Feedback control. Feedback control is performed after a process has been complete. AMD accepts feedback from customer openly. AMD's customer quality engineering team are providing responsive and uncompromised quality service by AMD to the customer through AMD promptly respond to potential quality concern from original equipment manufacturing OEM, original design manufacturing ODM, and channel partners, acting as the primary interface for quality-related issues. In conclusion, AMD has faced many challenges, but its dedicated workforce, loyal customers, and innovative products have helped it become a successful company. AMD is committed to providing the best possible service to its customers and is planned to continue to grow and expand in the future. That's all from us. Thank you.